The average person thinks will go direct from your current condition to your dream physique. And this is not true. It is not a straight line. To reach your goal physique, you need two things. Number one, good muscle development, and number two, low body fat percentage. These two things are needed for a great physique. One will not work without the other. The problem is they are the opposite of each other. Muscle growth is anabolic and fat loss is catabolic. In other words, you cannot chase them at once. You need to pick one at a time. And that is where bulking and cutting comes. For you to grow muscle while remaining lean, you need to do short cycles of bulking and cutting. You bulk to grow as much muscles as possible in the given time. You cut as fast as possible to get rid of the excess fat you gained during the bulking phase. Bulking phase is a period where you eat at a caloric surplus with a goal of gaining as much muscle as possible. Cutting phase is a period where you eat at a caloric deficit with a goal of losing fat as fast as possible.